And first of all, let's get into the neatness. Like, I'm in love, you guys. Like, practice really makes perfect. Hey, you guys, welcome back to Darla. And if you want to know how I achieve these bomb extended faux locks, stay tuned. Hey y'all, hey, I'm back, fresh wash in color. Let's go. Okay, so I wasn't as detailed in my last video as I should have been, so I'm gonna take this time to do that. So when you part, for me it's easier to start in the middle of my neck, okay? And you just want to make a little circular motion for the free part. I was just showing y'all the different gels you can use. So yeah, you want to start in the middle of your neck, and then you braid down, and then you twist the rest because you'll be braiding all day. Next, you want to do the circular motion again. You see, it's like a upside down U you're making right next to the first part you made. And then again, you're making a little circular motion. Bring that down. And your guide is the little zigzag pattern that is making. And also, you want your braid or twist to fall in between each part. So I took this time to create my middle part so it can already be sectioned off and even. And this is the finished look of the back portion of my hair. Real neat. You know, your parts don't have to be the same size, so don't worry about that. Because my hair tends to get dry, I just take this time to moisturize it. And coconut oil is what I prefer. Okay, the hair, because y'all need to know this, is by Bobbi Boss Nu Locs, and the color is Burgundy. And I got 18-inch 6 packs. And I'm going to show you all the trick I use. Because 2 18s together is, let me do the math, 36. And that was extremely long. I didn't want it that long. So, yeah, I'll show you all that later in the video. Okay, y'all know the typical crochet process. Put the needle through, dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is the hair I use for the distressed look. Brazilian curl, 18-inch. It's by Bobbi Boss as well. It's real thin. I cut it in half to make more hair because I only bought 1 pack, being cheap. But 1 pack was really all I needed until I got to the front of my hair, and I had to use the rest of the locks I had. I just broke that apart. Okay, so yeah, you can crochet this in, but that takes too much time. So I just start to wrap at the root like you saw, bring it down. Use your thumb like the butterfly method to just create little pieces, you know, the little flyaways to give you that distressed look. And because my locks are smaller this time, you want to make sure you're not pulling out too much hair. You want it to, you know, look soft and neat. You don't want it too messy. At least I didn't. Okay, now it's time to extend the lock. I've already cut my lock in half. I'll show you how I did that later on. But yeah, you just want to unravel both ends. Well, this end of the lock, and then use your loop area, the crochet part. Put your needle through. And bring that hair through. And you want to tie a knot. And you want to do this twice just to make sure it's secure, because they will slip out. And once you do that, you just wrap the excess hair around the lock, and voila, extended locks. Okay, now from the top, insert the crochet needle through your hair. Put it through the crochet lock. Then bring your braid through that loop. Boom, tighten it. Okay? Now I'm showing you all how long this lock is if you do both 18 and 18. Extremely long. So what we're going to do is cut it in half. My scissors are bogus, y'all. Bogus. Cut, cut. There we go. You see, unravel. Unravel. Now you have 2 ends. Tie your knots twice. Now you have your excess hair. So you want to wrap it around like I showed you before. And you also have the option to use nail glue or the freeze spray. What you call it? That they use for the wigs. It's not coming to me right now. But yeah, I chose to use nail glue. It's a little more messier, but it definitely secures those pieces so your hair won't be slipping. But this is an option if you want to just use the wrapping method, or you can use some type of glue to make sure. And bam, look at that. Where's the extendo at? Where it start? Oh, okay. Bam, there we go. Locks, extendos. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys got everything you needed out the video. And always, thank you for watching. And I will see you all soon.